What's up, carp freaks? How's it hanging? I'm just going to quickly show you how I'm going about today with my fishing. First of all, nice and easy. Again, I've got the Preston method feeder. Everyone takes this one for granted, but in my eyes, it's sweet for catching all sorts of fish, including last night a PB 28 pound 6 ounce. I've got a little flying back lead, bit of tungsten sinking tubing, 45 gram Preston, short blowback rig, and a little Northern special pop-up. Today, I've got a really simple super soaked pellet, sweet corn, and some crushed yellow boilies. All I'm going to do is literally lay my bait. Well, first of all, actually, I'll show you how she presents in the water. Look at that, look. Just begging. And basically what I'm going to do, best thing about this, no PBA, you don't have to worry about water. Just lay that in there. Just fill this up, not too much. Don't want to make it too heavy, because the Preston, the best thing about it is the 45 gram back bit. When you cast it, it always lays face down like this, and the bait's always face up, and the pop-up's presented in the middle there. When that pings out, with the shot being there, that pops up here, and everything around it is cloudy, and the pellets just break down, and the fish come in, and boom. Right, just going to quickly whack that one out. Going to sit that there, and I'll show you the second one quickly. Best thing about this Preston, it's so quick and easy, and if you mess up a cast, instead of sitting there tying another baggie, just do it again. Look at that. Right, same again, exactly the same rig. Stick it in there like so. Sure that's clear. Right, nice and cheap, pellet, sweet corn, boilie crumb. Press her in, press the button, booyah. Hello mate.
How you doing? You and the guy who had the big one, are you, yesterday?
Huh?
Did you have the big one yesterday?
Last night, mate, yeah. 28.6.
Yeah.
Bloody epic.
Awesome.
Proper chunk.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
How you doing tonight as well?
No, I'm going soon.
Yeah, do you know what time the lads are on tomorrow?
Sorry?
Do you know what time the lads are on tomorrow?
No, I don't, no. I don't come down at the weekends.
No, I don't. Not
Always packed.
Yeah, yeah.
Always booked up.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
You're best off coming down midweek. Do that one more time, I'm still not happy.
Did you have it out of this peg here, did you?
Got to be in the right spot, isn't you?
Yeah. Did you have that? Have you been fishing here since yesterday? Have you this peg?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing a quick session. Didn't bring a lot of bait with me, to be honest.
No.
Definitely weren't expecting the lake record.
Have you had any more?
Sorry?
How many have you had many more?
Yeah, I've had quite a lot actually. There's quite a lot of 20s in here.
Yeah, yeah.
And I've had the second biggest fish, 25.7.
Yeah.
And a 23.9.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some big chunks in here. My brother's had quite a few as well.
Yeah, I had a
he came down here last week and he had a 18.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I had a 24 the other week.
Got to be on the spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, mate, top tip. Someone here yesterday in 20 chucked a load of boilies out along that edge there, and then he went about 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
So.
Did you come here just as I left yesterday?
Sorry.
Was you walking down here just as I left yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. I put a load of bait out yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. I just wanted to try it. I've been fishing singles, if I'm honest, but
I don't put a lot of bait out.
no, I just want to try it just to see what
I
happens.
just put pellet sweet corn.
Yeah, yeah.
Sounds like a joke.
No, it's,
I'm
no,
using the Preston method feeder.
Yeah.
But yeah, there you go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have used leads and PVA.
Yeah.
But it slows me down. I like to be on the move.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If I mess up the cast 3 times, I've baited up the swim really.
Yeah, yeah.
It's wasted.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
And not only that, it's very productive.
You got a big flat spot come up down there. Well, I'm going to go and peg 20 if that's not going to disturb you. I'm just going to go and peg up there if that's alright with you.
Yeah, mate. Yeah. I'm only, that's my right rod.
Yeah, yeah.
Fair.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, that's going to be busy tonight, isn't it?
Sorry?
Alright, that'll be busy tonight, I should think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother's coming down for about 2 hours in a little while, but he's just going to be, yeah, I don't know. He who dares wins, mate.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, carp freaks. Rods are set. Areas all ready to go. Someone else is now setting up a couple of swims down. He who dares wins. Fingers crossed to get a run. Cheers for watching anyway, carp freaks. Subscribe, like, share, do what you got to do. Keep watching my videos, please. Thank you.